Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aksakan and today I'm here with this amazing crepe recipe. Yes, I mean if you're already tired of your usual breakfast, you can always give this recipe a try. It's great for kids, it's great for adults, and everybody loves it. So let's get started. Oh wait, before we get started, please subscribe to my channel because I have a great surprise coming for you. I mean, it's a huge surprise, so stay tuned. Oh, let's get to the video. For this recipe, I'm actually just blending everything in a blender because, it makes life so much easier. Then you don't have lumps that way. Because you have to make sure that this crepe batter does not have any lumps. So as you can see, it's very smooth and that's how the consistency should be. So here, I'm just gonna leave my batter in the ref for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna grease my pan. You can use a crepe pan. Just make sure that it's on medium heat and not very high. Then I'm just gonna pour half a cup of crepe batter. You can use a crepe tool, but I'm just gonna tip the pan around to spread the batter evenly. You have to cook like each side of the crepe for about 30 minutes and then flip them with the spatula. So today I'm making sweet crepes. Basically, I like crepes for breakfast. You can always add your favorite filling, like, you can put some vanilla ice cream inside, mixed berries, chocolate syrup, however you like your crepe to be. Just be creative. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned because I do have a great surprise coming your way. So, stay healthy and stay safe. Till next time, ciao!